Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will interpret the unknown in multiplication and division to model and solve word problems. The TEKS that we will be focusing on today are 3.4e, 3.4k, 3.5d, 3.4d, and 3.4h. Okay, let's take a look at today's problem. So our problem says, Dad sees 7 beetles when he weeds his garden. Each beetle has 6 legs. How many legs are there on all 7 beetles? So let's go ahead and find some important information. So Thad sees 7 beetles when he weeds his garden. Each beetle has 6 legs. How many legs are there in all 7 beetles? So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I am going to model this with a strip diagram. We can also use circles as well to help us. So actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw some circles. So I'm going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each one of those circles are going to represent one beetle, right? So we have 7 beetles, so we have 7 circles. Now each of those beetles have 6 legs. So I'm going to go ahead and put down 6 in each of my circles to represent the legs. So each beetle has 6 legs. Now how many beetles are there in all 7 beetles? So in all 7 beetles, how many do we have? We're not sure. So I'm going to go ahead and represent this question mark with a square, which is going to equal the total number. I'm going to put on total legs, right, in our beetle. Now, how do we find this? Now we can do this one of 2 ways. I can go ahead and count all my legs, or I can add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Or I can also, since I have 7 sixes, I can multiply 7 times 6 because I have 7 sets of 6, which if we multiply those together, that is going to give me 42. So 7 beetles have 42 legs. All right. All right, let's go ahead and review today's lesson objectives. So today we interpreted the unknown in multiplication and division to model and solve problems. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. I hope this is a helpful lesson, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.